Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of struggling to remove the background from your images? Introducing the ultimate solution, the Image Background Remover. With this powerful online tool, you can easily remove the background from any image in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a professional photographer, a graphic designer, simply someone who wants to enhance their photos, the Image Background Remover is perfect for you. It's quick, easy to use, and best of all, it's completely free. Step 1. Open this website. You can find the link in this video description. Step 2. Upload your photo. Wait a few seconds. Once the background is removed, you have the freedom to customize your image further. You can add a new background, create stunning collages, or seamlessly integrate your subject into any design or project. Don't let a cluttered or distracting background ruin your images. Try the Image Background Remover today and unlock a world of creative possibilities. Step 3. Download and save the results to your computer or phone. Thanks for watching. Please support me by subscribing, liking, and sharing. See you in our next AI tutorial video.